Introducing Cricut Printable Temporary Tattoo Sheets. Start by identifying the printable side of your tattoo sheet. It's the blank side. The back side has a text watermark on it. Check your printer's instructions, or do a quick test print to make sure you know which side of the sheet it will print on. This way, you know how to load the tattoo sheets so that they are printed on the blank side. Open Cricut Design Space. Click Make. You will want to mirror your design. Next, select your printer in Design Space and print your design using an inkjet printer. Once your print is completed, use a hairdryer and dry the printed area on high for 2 to 3 minutes. This next step must be done. Take one of the clear protective sheets that came with your Cricut Printable Temporary Tattoo Sheets and peel the liner from the top of the sheet. Begin to apply the protective sheet at the top of your printed design, and then peel the rest of the liner from underneath. Applying the sheet on your tattoo sheet adds a glue-like layer to ensure that the tattoos will stay on the skin for a lasting effect. Use a scraper to smooth out any bubbles. Then, place the tattoo sheet, watermarked liner side down on your light grip mat. Continuing in Design Space, you will select Browse All Materials and choose Printable Temporary Tattoo Sheets. Now you will be prompted to load the mat into your Cricut machine. Once it is loaded, press Go, and your Cricut will begin cutting out your tattoos. When the cut is complete, unload the mat and carefully remove your designs. When you are ready, make sure the skin is clean and dry. Peel off the clear layer and place the tattoo face down on the skin. Then use a damp cloth to soak the tattoo for 25 to 35 seconds. Gently peel away the paper to reveal your custom tattoo. Ready to get creative? Grab your Cricut Printable Temporary Tattoo Sheets and start designing today.